This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rachel Warren. Gorgeous brick cottage in the heart of Park City, restored for its new owner. Original hardwoods have been restored, arched doorway, crown molding, and open flow concept with abundant windows offering natural light in every room. Remodeled with new kitchen and appliances in 2019, new bathroom and updated plumbing and new water heater in 2021, B-Dry system with warranty installed in basement, 14-SEER HVAC with warranty and new paint throughout. Large fenced corner lot, off-street parking and conveniently located, minutes to downtown and UT. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Warren at 865-687-1111.